dynamically rendering line items, right, that are being rendered here in this list of courses. Yes. What about if I want to like delete one of these courses? Right. So maybe what I'd like to be able to do here is that we have maybe a button, right, with a delete button right next to it, right, something like that. That if I click on it, right, it would remove that particular course. Yes. So ideally, what I'd like to be able to do is somehow modify that top level array, right? That who has that array though? My parent has the array. I don't have the array. Somehow I need to tell my parent, hey parent, right? I'm trying to remove this particular row down here, but I don't have the state. You have the state, right? So somehow we need to communicate amongst each other. Yes, right. So the main way of components talking to one another is again because this is a function. Because this is a function, I have no way of maintaining state here or doing any event handling here. Okay, or changing the state. The only thing I could do is notify somebody that something happened, right? And somebody should do something about it, right? So what we're going to do here is that, again, the only way to communicate is that for you to pass me some callback, some function that I can then notify you, right? So you're going to pass me some function called delete course, which I am going to invoke when this button gets called. All right, so I can say on click, right, and I can call this delete course. Make sense? But notice that courses was passed to me by my parent. My parent is not passing me delete courses. We need to go back to our parent so that I make sure that our parent passes me this function. Yeah. So let's go back to the parent. The parent is the manager right here. So it's this one right here with the courses, right? So it needs to pass an attribute called delete course, because that's what it's expecting, right? It's expecting a property called delete course, right? And it needs to be bound to some function, and the function might be this one right here. We can say maybe alert that says delete me. Okay, so I'm passing this function down to delete course, so that if I click on it, right, it updates and says delete me. Yes.